On Friday, the S&P 500 index closed at an all-time high of 4,000, up more than 1% for the day, surpassing the previous closing record set in January of 2022. The gains were driven by a coterie of big tech firms, including Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla, and Meta, which increased 75% on average in 2023 and represented 30% of the index's total market value at the end of 2023. According to Michael Farrar, Miller and Washington, AI is the new .com. It's the new magic that is going to change the world that we don't really understand yet. The stock market surged upward in the final quarter of 2023 as evidence gathered that the economy has not tipped into recession territory, despite the Federal Reserve's campaign to raise interest rates. At the same time, analysts point to an AI-driven frenzy on Wall Street that rivals the .com boom of the late 90s, when investors sought to capitalize on the transformative gains brought by the early internet. A booming S&P 500 is a welcome sign for the millions of Americans who invest in the index through retirement accounts. Investors in 2022 had about $5.7 trillion in assets passively indexed to the S&P 500 and another $5.7 trillion in funds that use it as a benchmark comparison, according to S&P Global. The 2024 election could be affected by voters' feelings about the stock market and economy, as President Biden and presumptive challenger Donald Trump will each have to defend their economic records. Trump predicted a market crash if he doesn't win. Biden has already faced attacks from the right over inflation and gas prices, while his office has argued that he is both under control and pointed to a strong job market.